Doll, please.
Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening another Rainbow High boy. This is series 2, River Kendall. He is rocking a blue theme. He has an outfit here, a second outfit here, and a second pair of shoes. Here they all are on the back. Let's hurry up and get him out. So in the back of the box, we have his stand, and then we can pull him out and grab his extra outfit. Let's go ahead and cut him out, and then we'll open up his second outfit as well. Someone please explain to me why they always put pegs in the back of their heads to hold them into the case. So here he is out of the box. I really like all the layering that he has going on. He has a hoodie and then a jacket and then a long sleeve shirt tied around his waist, but I guess this hoodie is sleeveless, so okay, it makes a little more sense. I really like his jeans too. They're like ripped here on the bottom. He has some pretty cool shoes too. What does it say? Dare to dream. Also is wearing a hat that I don't know how to take off, so we're just gonna leave that on for right now. He has a lot of stray hairs just all over the place. I'm assuming his hat, I know his hat comes off. I'm scared. How is it even attached? You know what? We'll come back to that. Let's open his second outfit. So first off, for his second outfit, we have a shirt that says Rainbow Paris. Also came with another jacket. This is very like windbreaker, sporty. Has a cool rainbow symbol on the front, Rainbow High. And then a hoodie with some gold trim on it. That's really cool. And then last, he has these snakeskin leather shorts. Right, his second pair of shoes are these more like fan style. They say a rainbow on the side. Looks like it was written by like him or a student, and socks that say rainbow on them. So that is it for Mr. River Kendall. His hat's gonna live on his head until I figure out how to get it off. What do you guys think? Do you have River? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for fashion shots. Thank you for watching. Bye. I feel like I'm going to be finding these little plastic tags all over my apartment for the rest of my life.